Hello, welcome back to Think Big Digital. Today we're going to learn about how to calculate time in Clickup. To track time on a task, open the task you want to track time for. Now tap on Track Time. Now you have a timer that will show you the time, that will show you the task time. You can click on Start Timer to begin tracking time and also click Stop Timer when you're finished. This is the stop timer bar here. You can estimate the time it will take you to complete a task in ClickUp. Now, when you tap on stop timer, you will have all the informations recorded here. Now, if you go to your menu bar option, which is a task settings, if you need to calculate time in a specific way or track additional time related information, you can use the custom fields to allow you to create fields tailored to specific needs. You can either add existing field or you can create a new field. And also from the new field, you can use the drop down menu. You can use text state, text area options here. Generate time reports to see how much time has been spent on tasks and compare actual time estimated in the time section. And you can also identify your trends. You can also identify trends over time. By utilizing these features, you can effectively track and calculate time in ClickUp according to your project management needs. The first one is to use the track time option. The second one is to use due dates option. And the last one is to go to your menu bar and find custom fields option. And then you can create new fields to specify your needs. That's it for today. We will see you in the next tutorial.